All right, so let's go ahead and start talking about computer science concept of copying a list. The programming language that we're looking at specifically is Python. I'm going to show you two different ways. One of them is the incorrect way, and the other one is the correct way to copy a list. So, in line 1, I have a list called fruits, which contains an apple, an orange, and a banana. And then on line 2 in Python is where I correctly copy the list. So we use this colon notation. Do you see where it says fruits and then the brackets and then the colon inside? What that does is that copies the list completely from the first to the last element. So it copies the entire list. Then on line 5, what I do is I reset the first element in fruits to mango. I then print copy fruits, which, unsurprisingly, prints apple, orange, banana. So copy fruits is unchanged. Even though I changed the first element in fruits from apple to mango, copy fruits remains unchanged. So this is a true copy. A true copy of the list is made in a separate part of memory, and our variable copy fruits points to that new location in memory. Now let's look at what might look to be a valid way of creating a copy, but really is not. So notice on line 2 the lack of the colon and the brackets. What this does is this creates another variable called copyfruits, but the problem is this. That variable points to the same memory location in the background that fruits points to. So when I change the first element of fruits from apple to mango, that's line 5, when I print out copy fruits, it prints out mango because copy fruits is pointing to the same memory location. Here's just a quick illustration of what's going on. In the upper left-hand corner, we have copy fruits equals fruits. Now, at a cursory glance, it looks like we're actually copying the list. But in reality, what's happening is two variables, fruits and copy fruits, point to the exact same location in memory. So they both reference the exact same list. So if I change fruits, any element in fruits, it also will change the result in copy fruits because they're pointing to the same list. If I change anything using copy fruits, it will also change regarding fruits. Now let's look at the true copy, the one that really works, using the bracket notation. When I use slicing, which is what this process is called, using the brackets and the colon, it creates a new location in memory and stores the values from fruits into that new location. So now we have two variables, fruits and copy fruits, and they no longer point to the same location. They now point to distinctly different locations in memory. So you can change one without needing to change the other. And that's the idea I want you to get a hold of. Now, this idea is bigger than Python. Now, the process that you use to copy in other languages will probably be different. This colon notation with brackets is pretty specific to Python, maybe another language or two, but the idea of memory locations and understanding where things are in memory, that's a key issue, and that you need to know. God bless you, wherever you are today.